No, I'm not going to run a saw today. Hey, it's Eric with Sprucehill. It is September 27th, and this is our update for our Mont Royal Kitchen Edition. You can actually see the designers are in the background checking in on what we're doing. They haven't yelled at us too much yet today, so I think we're doing very well. They seem to be very happy. Thumbs up to us. Right now, we have the finishers in here. Team Sprucehill, way to go. We're getting base and case in, doors hung. Let's go ahead and check and see what's going on with those guys. All right, we got Big Rye here. He's working away. What we got to deal with is we're doing a very, very small mosaic tile in this bathroom. And this wall needs to be flat as a pancake to accept the tile and look awesome once it's done. So he's flattening this wall out. Meanwhile, Ian, new to the team, has been around and he's gotten these doors installed or almost installed, just waiting to put the header on for the casing. But this is looking dead sexy. And there is Mr. Ian killing it for us. And that's what we got going on up here at our Mont Royal project. It's looking great. Thanks for checking in. Have a good one.